new Founding Fathers of America have issued a law enforcement warning for the following parishes or areas in Louisiana, the Greater New Orleans area, including the following parishes: Jefferson, Orleans, Plaquemines, St. Bernard, St. Charles, and St. John the Baptist. The Florida parishes, including the following parishes: East Baton Rouge, East Feliciana, West Feliciana, Livingston, St. Helena, St. Tammany, Tangipahoa, and Washington. The Acadiana parishes, including the following parishes: Ascension, Assumption, West Baton Rouge, Iberville, Pointe Coupee, La Fourche, and St. James. On 5:42 p.m. on November 23, 2036, effective until 11:42 p.m. Message from EPOSCAP. The new Founding Fathers are on the manhunt for Esme Carmona, last seen in the New Orleans area. All citizens should be on the lookout for her. Repeat, all citizens should be on the lookout for Esme Carmona. A description has been sent on cell phones or can be found at www.newfoundersamerica.org.